Carpenter bees, master engineers of nature and their hidden role as pollinators. When you think of bees, the first image that probably comes to mind is that of busy honeybees, with their intricate wax hives and strong social structures. However, few people are aware of Carpenter bees, Xylocopa, the nature's engineers with a unique ability to carve wood and build intricate nests inside tree trunks. More than just ordinary insects, Carpenter bees possess remarkable biological features and behaviors that make them an important part of ecosystems. Not only are they skilled artisans, but Carpenter bees also play a crucial role in pollination, helping maintain biodiversity and supporting the growth of trees and forests, as well as cultivated crops. Their development and unique adaptation have drawn attention from scientists and sparked the curiosity of nature lovers. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of Carpenter bees, from their physical structure and exceptional wood-boring abilities to their indispensable role in nature. This article will reveal the surprises that this peculiar yet captivating insect holds. Unveiling the remarkable features of Carpenter bees. Robust body structure and unique appearance. One of the most striking features of Carpenter bees is their large size and robust appearance. Unlike smaller bees, Carpenter bees can grow up to 2.5 centimeters in length, making them one of the largest bees in the world. Their bodies are black or shiny blue-black, sometimes with metallic blue or purple hues that glisten under sunlight. Their wings are another distinctive feature. Carpenter bees have transparent, thin, but very strong wings that allow them to fly swiftly and maneuver effectively through dense forests or areas with abundant vegetation. Unlike other bee species, Carpenter bees have a sturdier body, especially around the thorax, where powerful flight muscles help them drill into wood and sustain energy for physically demanding tasks. Wood-boring abilities, a unique nest-building art. Carpenter bees are not just ordinary artisans. Their wood-boring abilities are one of the most unique skills in the insect world. Using their strong mandibles, they can hollow out deep and wide holes in soft or decayed wood to build nests. These nests typically consist of a series of long tunnels, with each tunnel leading to a small chamber where the female bee lays eggs and provides food for the larvae. The nest-building process of Carpenter bees is meticulous. Each tunnel can be between 10 and 30 centimeters long, with separate chambers for nurturing each larva. These tunnels not only serve as living spaces, but also provide a safe environment for the young bees to develop without being disturbed by natural predators. Solitary behavior and differences from other bees. Unlike honeybees, which live in colonies, Carpenter bees are solitary creatures. They do not have the complex social behavior found in honeybees, and each female is responsible for building her own nest and caring for her offspring. Despite this solitary lifestyle, Carpenter bees play an essential role in ecosystems by pollinating different species of flowers, contributing to the growth of crops and wild plants. Crucial role as pollinators in ecosystems. Though their wood-boring ability is their most prominent trait, the pollinating role of Carpenter bees is equally important. With their large and strong bodies, Carpenter bees often pollinate flowers with complex structures that require a more robust pollinator. They're often seen working on large flowers like legumes, water lilies, and plants with big blossoms that smaller bees cannot access as easily. Carpenter bees have a unique way of pollinating. Instead of simply extracting nectar from the front of the flower, they often bite into the base of the flower to get nectar. This method sometimes earns them the nickname nectar robbers because their approach can bypass the pollen. However, they still contribute significantly to spreading pollen between flowers, ensuring plant reproduction and growth. The life cycle and reproduction of Carpenter bees. Reproduction and nest-building process. Female Carpenter bees are the primary builders and responsible for reproduction. After finding a suitable piece of wood, the female bee begins using her mandibles to hollow out tunnels. These nests are typically drilled into dead or decayed trees or softwood structures. Once the chambers are ready, the female lays eggs in individual cells and leaves behind a mixture of nectar and pollen for the larvae to feed on once they hatch. From eggs to larvae and the development process. The eggs of carpenter bees hatch after a short period, and the larvae begin consuming the food left behind by their mother. Over the course of several weeks, the larvae undergo complete metamorphosis, transforming from soft, helpless larvae into fully developed adult bees with wings and the ability to fly. Once the development cycle is complete, the young bees break through the thin walls separating the chambers and fly out of the nest to start their independent lives. High independence of adult bees. Adult carpenter bees live a solitary life. Unlike honeybees, they do not live in colonies or share nests with others. Each female builds her own nest and cares for her larvae until they are ready to leave. This helps minimize competition within the nest and ensures that each individual has enough resources to grow and thrive. Scientific applications and the importance of carpenter bees in research. Carpenter bees' wood-boring capabilities. One of the potential applications that scientists are exploring is the wood-boring ability of carpenter bees. Their ability to hollow out wood and create intricate nests has inspired numerous studies on biodegradable materials and natural wood decomposition mechanisms. This capability could pave the way for new solutions in reusing decayed wood and developing biological approaches for the construction industry. Research on pollination behavior. The role of carpenter bees in pollination has also caught the attention of ecologists. With their ability to access large and complex flowers, they play an indispensable role in maintaining biodiversity. Ongoing studies aim to better understand how carpenter bees pollinate, particularly focusing on the plant species they have a unique pollinating relationship with. Conservation and sustainability of carpenter bee populations. Like many insect species, carpenter bees face the threat of population decline due to habitat loss and the impacts of climate change. Conservation efforts and research on sustaining carpenter bee populations have become pressing issues in biodiversity conservation. Restoring natural habitats for these bees is one of the long-term solutions to ensure they continue playing their crucial role in ecosystems.